Hey guys, so this is a video I've been wanting to do, is cleaning the tea kettle. So I already sprayed and also sprayed from the dollar store on here. So this is an hour after it has been sprayed. So now I'm gonna scrub it with one of these sponges. They have these at the dollar store as well. So let's start. Oh wow. How nice it leaves it. Look at this. So let's see, what do you guys think? You think this will come off? All this right here? Let's see. Look. Oh yes, look at this. Wow. So all this right here was all around. So I was able to get it off, and look, I still haven't used anything else. I only used the awesome spray and the soap pad and some water, of course. But I didn't use no dishwashing soap because it looks bubbly, but I didn't use no dishwashing soap. Nothing else. I put water. I rinsed it out with water. This side I rinsed it out with water. This is how it looks like now after that I cleaned it. Thank you for watching.